kabata, ginbanag ang kooperatiba. Ginbatitik ang mga masarigan, agad sa haraman may kauswagan.
Ceremony of Modular Farmer Livestock School on Dairy Buffalo Productions.
Kananay, lugyan ang kooperatiba sa mabagat nga problema, bukas palad ang darwa.
This time, I have the honor to present to you the 31 regular farmers, Kara farmers, graduated from April 27 to June 19, 2024. So I have the honor to present to you the 19 active and very participative youth farmer for this year 2024. Janice H. Quaresma, the Sibed Coordinator of the Philippine Carabao Center, WSU. These are the 50 graduating students of Modular Farmers Livestock School Class 2024.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me with the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Carabao Center at WPSU, and our OIC Center Director, I hereby declare you graduates. Congratulations, graduates of the Modular Farmer Livestock School, Dairy Buffalo Production.
Ano kalinahi, sang kadanggo, sang kapamilya, kauswagan maang kanta.
Gusto ko siguro makilala muna kayo. So, okay lang pa. So, pwede mong palakpakan natin lahat ng ating mga sarili.
Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, sa kauswagan tingnan kita. Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, imaw sa pagbubuhat kang pamilya. Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, sa kauswagan tingnan kita. Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, kooperatiba.